Hi, my name is Supriya. I live in Dubai. I'm running a company here. My company name is Vegat Logistics. The beautiful thing in learning is nobody can take from you. A famous author, B.B. King, says this. One fine day, I was discussing something about learning with my sister. I want to learn NLP. She connected me to Dr. Poorani, and I attended NLP Basic Practitioners course from HAS Academy, from National Federation of Neuro-Linguistic, executed by Dr. Poorani. It was a beautiful journey when I was learning NLP, and it was so delighted experience. We all are having a big group. I'll just take a few names. Madam Josephine, Vani Madam, Praveena, Aparna, Mr. Socrates. These all our people are so much involved in the learning that whatever we learn, then and there we are practicing. And the teaching of Dr. Poorani is so incredible. The revision, she said that the revision, it should be within a 24 hours, it will remain always. So whatever I learn, still I'm practicing. We are having, she teaches us rituals. We are having some of the rituals, morning rituals, evening rituals. And NLP teaches us so many things, like there are so many techniques out there, like meta model, questioning with your client. Different type of questions are there, modulated questions, where you are never be able to trap with others. It's a beautiful thing. How to eliminate phobia, fear, switch patterns, generate a new behavior. And the beautiful thing is, write your own story. Where you are in this environment, how you will reach to your purpose. It is all described there in NLP course, and I learned it thoroughly. And the teaching of Dr. Poorani was incredible. And she is always connected with each of us, asking the questions, giving the task, helping the people. It was beautifully, this course was beautifully designed by Dr. Poorani. And a beautiful thing it come out from this, I got one client also. And I am going to have meeting very soon. This is beautiful. I'm really thankful to Dr. Poorani. I'm thankful to my sister and all the team members who are working with this course to design perfectly. I'm thanking to everyone, to this crew members, and big thank to Coach Shiva. Thank you so much. Thank you.